Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. You can check out our inventory at selectmotors.com. This is a 2011 Audi Q5. The color is granite gray metallic with a light gray interior. All-wheel drive. This is a 3.2 V6. A lot of them are four-cylinder. This has the optional V6. Beautiful styling. Has the LED driving lights, fog lights. This is the S line. Updated trim on the outside and bigger wheels. This has new tires on it all the way around. Continental. Check out the service history. It was always dealer serviced. Take a look at the Carfax on our website. Body's very, very nice. It's not dinged or scratched. Paint finish is excellent. So look at the back seat. Has a huge panorama roof and it has a power shade. All that glass in the wintertime when the sun's out and the car's parked, it keeps the interior warmer than it would be normally. And then in the summer you can just close the shade. Leather interior, power seats, heated seats. Nice wood grain trim. Here we are on the inside. We'll start up. There we go. Here's a look at the navigation screen. Climate control. Separate temperature controls. This has satellite radio and Bluetooth and all the more modern features. Even it still has a CD player though. So mirror and the compass. Compass in the mirror. Here's another look at the panorama roof. There's the power shade. And naturally it'll close all the way. And the front section of the roof will open. Seat memory. Power folding side mirrors. Here we are back on the outside. Dual exhaust. Power liftgate. Nice color combination. Sporty wheels. I forgot to mention, it does have backup camera. Has turn signals in the side view mirrors. The V6 is powerful and very smooth and quiet. Beautiful Audi SUV. Thank you for looking in, and we hope to hear from you.